Kiama kia MBUS ni kianirire Newton KARIS areta MUHURANIRI wa GITURWA kia UMBUNGE kia MBEERE ya RUGONGO thutha wa GEOFFREY RUKU KWAMURWO ta MINISTA oho gikianirira gitire ngwataniro-ini o yothe na kiama gia Kenya Kwanza.
The MBUS party is autonomous. The MBUS party is independent. We are currently not in any formal coalition with any political party. And you know, all those agreements, the coalitions, they are all registered with the registrar of political parties. So we have no agreement registered with the registrar of political parties with any party. We don't have such an agreement with UNDA. We don't have such an agreement with NAC Kenya or any other party, for instance. So we stand an independent party, not in any coalition as of now.
Kiama giki kiugite ni gikarugamia ahuraniri ituru ingi githurano-ini kia 2027 makiuga metereire kumba kwa ABC kurikirire niguo kwari na mibango yao makiuga hari bata gukorwo na utongoria wina waragania na urathairira ikundi itiganite ta ayuthi na andu aria makoragwo na mawathe gatagati ga ikundi ingi kuona nicio irahinyiririka muno kwa ihinda riri.
It is our intention as a party to field candidates for all elective offices in Kenya from national to county levels. We shall leave no stone unturned to make sure that our MBUS party wins the MBEERE North parliamentary seat when the by-elections for the seat are held.
We are ready for by-election. We are just waiting for the dates and the constitution of IMBC.
Oho maugite ni mekunyitanira na kiama o yothe kingikorwo gikienda kunyitanira nao kungikinya ni kiratwarana na cioneki cia kiama giki makiuga kiama kiao ni kirugamitie wega na oho magathingiriria matire maingira ngwataniro-ini na kiama kingi o giothe.
Kiama gi tayari kunyitana na ciama iria ciengi kuruta wira vamwe ciama iria iraiciria undu umwe na kiama kia MBUS ti ciama iria iramenya ati Kenya thaino kwina thina.
Oho ni mokirire mwathanire wa thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza makiuga mibango yayo ta mutaratara wa marihi ma thibitari wa SHA mubango wa marihi ma thukuru cia university gatagati ka mibango ingi ndiraruta wira na oho magakumithia unyitani migwate makiuga matikunyita thirikari mbaru kungikinya ndigutangikira mathina ma muingi.
There are people complaining about healthcare system. It was in their manifesto that there will be universal health care, which was a good intention by the president and his UDA and Kenya Kwanza team. But you've seen challenges. Those challenges, you know, Kenyans are suffering. We have seen university funding model, which has been tampered with somehow. I read in the media yesterday that 4% of our youth joining KMTC were not able to join because they cannot raise the fees. They are not able to do the fund. So there are a lot of challenges that need to be addressed. So we are saying, we are watching.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Duta wa Buthia.